The world of digital technologies is developing very fast. Hence, we're excited about the birthing of a revolutionary, fascinating, and solution-oriented infrastructure in the blockchain space called OIKOS, taking the lead in this direction. Let's get some insight about the OIKOS platform. OIKOS is a Tron-based synthetic asset platform that provides on-chain exposure to fiat currencies, commodities, stocks, and indices. Now, synthetic assets known as synths are backed by OIKOS network tokens, which is OKS, locked into a smart contract as collateral. Synths track the prices of various assets, allowing crypto native and unbanked users to trade peer-to-contract on OIKOS exchange without liquidity limitation. Now, interestingly, OIKOS allows you to create and manage a variety of assets, such as assets related to fiat currencies, precious metals such as gold and silver, as well as indexes and stocks related to various companies such as Apple, Google, Amazon, and others. OIKOS has its OKS tokens and follows the same system. So these tokens must be blocked to create synthetic assets. The system is over-collateralized so as not to risk certain black swans and value in the system, including liquidity. At this point, we can see how decentralized finance, DeFi, on the Tron blockchain has expanded. Among other things, the latest USDJ stablecoin launched a few months ago proves that the field is taking huge steps to try to invite as many users and developers as possible to use the blockchain in the DeFi field. Interesting. Now, let's look at the OIKOS platform system architecture. Now, we have what we call the minting synths. The OIKOS platform will allow for OKS holders to mint SUSD by basically locking their OKS as collateral using the OIKOS smart contracts. We also have the exchanges. This will accommodate steps involved for smart contract to process a synth exchange, basically from SUSD to SBTC, among others. We also have the claiming fee. This is whenever there is an exchange involving synths on the OIKOS platform using the OIKOS contract, a certain fee of about 0.3% is basically extracted and then sent to the fee pool, which is to be claimed by the OKS stakers. Now, we also have the burning debt. This is the fee that is required when an OKS staker wants to exit the system or to reduce their debt and then unlock their staked OKS. There's also the debt pool. This is usually updated whenever an OKS holder mints or burns synths. Lastly, we have the oracle. The oracle determines the value of all synthetic assets in the OIKOS system, which basically pushes price feeds on-chain using an algorithm with a variety of sources to form an aggregate value for each asset. I'm quite interested about talking about the benefits of the OIKOS exchange. The OIKOS exchange provides many benefits, or better still, advantages, which only limited to those who are users of the platform. With the OIKOS platform, assets are basically assigned an exchange rate through the basic feeds supplied by an oracle, and as such can be converted using the OIKOS exchange dApps, and it provides an infinite liquidity up to the total amount of collateral in the system. And the platform also oversees zero slippage and permissionless on-chain trading. I must very well commend this team. They are vastly experienced. They have pedigrees that can match any digital mind in the world. And I must call on investors to take advantage of this OIKOS infrastructure to better their lot. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being there all the way.